Now recording. So let's put some fuel. I presume that's the vents. I don't know if it leaks at all. This carburetor.
Is that that go into
the bulbs? Yeah. This is the vents. That'll do. A little bit down there, will it?
Yeah, I won't put too much in there.
No.
Give it a hydraulic lock, can't it?
Yes, very true. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens then. Where's the so that's there, and that's a throttle there. Here we go. Oh, I need 12 volt supply.
That's ignition, is it?
Yeah, one wire system. That should be powered up the Dizzy. Right. Here we go then. First time.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah. Well, ain't bad, is it?
Well, do that again.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Maybe a bit more fuel. Smells a bit burny, but I suppose it's all new oil and stuff. That'll do it. A little bit down there.
Yours roof gone out for the day?
Oh yeah. That's what I'm doing today. Right. That's the one.
On your jacket on, where your flames has got to come out.
Oh yeah, I'll stand back a little bit. Yeah. No, I'll see what happens. Wow. I mean, was it leaking out the other vents when I filled it up?
Yeah. He's using that up, see, isn't he?
Oh Christ. Yeah. Does that a little bit. Well, that is definitely open.
Bit of a blowback there, isn't it?
Oh, let's just stuck it back in the engine, I think.
He's
Gone out? Gone out. Right. Why did it take over? Why did he actually go?
Yeah, a bit of blowback there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Wonder if that's the ignition. A little bit. Well,
It's a good start, anyway.
it's a good start.
Yeah.
That's the first time it's ever started when it's been out. So, yeah. I suppose there's a lot of neighbours.
Just selling tickets on it.
What would cause flames at the exhaust like that? Just out of the carb, you reckon?
Yeah. Got to be blowback. Well, you'd expect it to be blowback through the valve or something like that, wouldn't
Yeah.
it? Really? But I mean, that's all new, isn't it? All,
Right, well, yeah. Same valve has been reground,
Yeah.
and once it's going, it's sucking it in, isn't it? Basically.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. The timing's out a bit, maybe.
Might be. Yeah, I've got it set on top dead centre, so this is it's a bit loose. Maybe a bit more. I don't know. Really, I should go.
You need to advance it a bit, I suppose.
Advance it,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
reckon? So it's going to be.
I should think, because
Try that down then.
is that before then, or has that gone to the way?
No, that's clockwise is
Right.
advance. Yeah.
Maybe that, because then you get an exhaust valve open
Yeah.
before the other one's ready
Yeah.
to take it in. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Right. This is the first for me to do this. So, right. Definitely not choke, do I? Yeah. Right.
Yeah, I wonder what that is then.
Don't know. I might look at that on YouTube if I go any further, to be fair.
Yeah.
And put the battery on charge. You get a bit sluggish now.
He's going pretty well then, wasn't he?
He's going alright, isn't he? Yeah. Little flames are shooting out.
Yeah, they was coming out the right place.
Yeah, yeah. So that was more advanced, wasn't it? It did run better, didn't it, a little bit?
I thought so, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you're looking usually with a 10 degrees advance, isn't it, usually?
Yeah. Yeah, I did set it on, so top dead center, and it was dead on it. Then I read somewhere afterwards, 8 or 9 degrees before top dead center is good. So I suppose doing that will be a rough guesstimate, won't it, basically?
Yeah, that's only pretty rough, wasn't it?
Yeah. So yeah. Wow. Okay. One more time. A bit more advanced, just a little bit. There. I'm assuming the bowl's empty again. Oh.
It seems to be when you open the throttle as well, right?
Yeah, maybe a bit too. Because it's got, I don't know any other carbs, but when you open it up, it's got like an injector system.
Oh, it's accelerator pump, mate.
Yeah, accelerator pump, that's it. So that's going to pump in more fuel.
Yeah.
Maybe it doesn't need it. It's just, no, too much, you know. Right, one more time.
Ignition on.
Ignition on. I'm not going to touch the car. A bit shaky, to be fair.
Don't miss out on your chance to win 760,000.
I don't understand.
That's what it is, isn't it? It's the timing, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's about right, to be fair. There it is now. Oh, that's proper job, that.
I sort of warm up too.
It is hot, isn't it? I've got no water going round, so I can't run it too far.
No.
I think about 10 minutes, I think, is be a bit limit. But I think for today, I think